folks, Tim Slade here from the eLearning Designers Academy. This video is going to be a little bit different from the ones that I normally publish because I've got some really important news to share with you, something that's going to shape the future of our community and our cohort program. And I'm going to get to that in just a moment. So stick around till the end. But first, I wanted to take a moment to reflect and celebrate on what we've accomplished together over the last 5 years since I started the eLearning Designers Academy and our free community, and to give you just a small glimpse as to what is ahead in the future. Over the years, we've built one of the most recognized instructional design and e-learning communities online. But honestly, the real accomplishments aren't about rankings or recognition. It's about all of you who have chosen to be part of the community. So thank you for that. I literally could have never imagined what this space would become when I first created it. But you know what? Out of everything that we've done together over the years, my absolute proudest accomplishments are what we've done inside our Hands-On Cohort Coaching Program and all that we have personally poured into it to support those who have chosen to participate in it. And let me tell you, we've poured a lot. It's not just the fact that we've helped literally thousands of people learn and put into practice the real skills of instructional design and e-learning development. And it's not the fact that we've helped people design beautiful and effective projects that demonstrate those skills in action. And it's not just the fact that we've helped people build portfolios that led to just absolutely amazing opportunities at places like Apple and Allegiant Airlines and Schwab and Big Brothers and Big Sisters of America and Tesla and Estée Lauder and so many other great places. And it's not the fact that we've aligned our program to ATD's capability model and earned their stamp of approval. It's the fact that I've personally recorded over 7,000 Loom videos giving feedback on student projects. I've facilitated over 500 weekly live calls. I've conducted over 400 one-on-one coaching sessions. I've reviewed literally hundreds of storyboards and projects and dozens of portfolios. And I'm going to be honest, I've answered the same question about building branching scenarios at least 200 times. And I don't say that to gloat. I don't take any of this that I do lightly. I take the program and the people that I support so seriously and personally. And you don't have to take my word for it. Talk to any of my students and they will tell you firsthand how much I and my team go above and beyond to help them. I've traveled across this country to connect with my students one-on-one. I've been invited to their homes. I've listened to them cry on phone calls. I've literally helped them take selfie headshots with portrait mode on their phones for their portfolios. I've done everything besides helping people name their firstborn child. I've literally poured all of myself into this program. And while I'm so proud of it all, and I've loved every minute of it, it's been a lot. And what I've realized is this. In order to keep building and moving forward with what's next, what I need most is time. Time to create what's to come later this year and into 2026. And that means I had to make a big decision. And that decision is that our October 2025 cohort will be our final one, at least for right now. Now, let me be clear. Nothing I'm working on will replace the cohort. There is just no substitute for the kind of hands-on coaching, feedback, and real-world practice that we offer inside the program. And, here's why this moment matters for you. This isn't just the last chance to go through the program. It's the last chance, at least for now, to work with me directly, to have me look at your projects, to have me give you feedback in real time, to have me answer your questions, and have me coach you through all of the tough parts. The videos and the templates and the resources, all of those things will exist in one format or another, but it's really the personal one-on-one guidance, the feedback, the face-to-face coaching from me. That's what makes our program different and special. And that's what will not be available to you once this cohort wraps up, because why? I'm going to be heads down working on what's next. So if you've been on the fence, this October cohort is your final opportunity to join, at least for the immediate future, and to receive this level of support and feedback and guidance from me personally. So if you've been waiting for the right time to join, this is it. And I invite you to join the waitlist today with the link down below and secure your spot for our October cohort. All right, that is the big news. I know, it's crazy. As I said at the start of the video, thank you for the last 5 years, and thank you for what's to come in the future. I cannot wait to share it all with you. Otherwise, I hope to see you in our October cohort, our final one for right now, and I'll see you around. Bye, folks.